again, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. And Mars is, of course, the farthest terrestrial planet. So that also tells you something about how I was saying non-gas giants. Yes. So the rocky planets, Mars is the last one. So it's going to be the coldest one, pretty much. Okay. So let's see. Mars is the terrestrial planet farthest from the sun and hence the terrestrial planet with the coldest surface. See? Mars has a number of superficial similarities to Earth. So there are some superficial, this is what I meant earlier. There are some surface level similarities with Earth. It's when you consider the mass and the size and all that and the distance from the sun, actually Venus is more similar to Earth. But there are some other superficial similarities that Earth has with Mars, which are the redeeming qualities or the meritorious qualities of Mars when we consider moving somewhere. When are you gonna go live again? Tomorrow. Why? Tomorrow. Don't be needy and just get notifications. Just subscribe. Subscribe. Press the bell icon. I don't know. Come to the live. This is a protein shake with milk. This is protein in, this is, I mean, I guess it's chocolate flavored protein powder in milk. Okay, because I worked out. Sometimes I remember to drink it, sometimes I don't. Strawberry milkshake, no. It's a protein powder. Gosh. Gosh, oh gosh. I was wondering because I have to go to bed. Sorry. Sorry. Thank you. Please do come again to the live. I'm subscribed. I just forgot. I was so close. Thank you everybody for your patience on this rather fiery night. Actually, I'm a Libra and today is my half birthday. April 17th. Well, it might be 18th already. I don't freaking know. But today's my half birthday, so I'm the opposite to the Aries sign, but I'm feeling like an Aries today, where I just want to like, be the god of war. You know what I mean? Or ruled by the god of war. Not the god of war. I'm not the god of war. I am more peaceful and harmonious than that. But sometimes you gotta be an Aries, you know, and just like win the battles. You know what I mean? All right, forget it. Mars has a number of superficial similarities to Earth. Its equator is tilted by 25 degrees relative to its orbital plane. So this is very important. Its tilt is close to the number that is our tilt. Our tilt is 23.5 degrees. Mars's tilt is 25 degrees. As you know, our tilt, as in the tilt of our orbit, orbital plane, of course, determines our seasons. So Mars is gonna have similar seasons. So that's pretty cool. Okay? So Mars has a number of superficial similarities. Its equator is tilted by 25 degrees relative to its orbital plane. This is similar to the Earth's tilt of 23.5 degrees, which is cool, which is really nice. Be a lover, not a fighter. Oh, shut up. Thank you, though. Thank you so much for being here. Can we get 10 likes? Thus, the seasonal variations on Mars are similar to those on Earth, only with seasons 88% longer, thanks to the longer Martian orbital period. So, the seasonal variations, like having seasons, summer, winter, fall, spring, the seasonal variations on Mars is similar to that of Earth, but Mars's year is longer. So it's kind of like the same sort of seasons, or the fact that you have seasons, but over the course of a longer year. And why? Because the tilt of Mars is similar to the tilt of Earth, which is very interesting. It's very interesting. Very, 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 very cool. So that is one of the similarities. Like if you go to Mars and you like seasons, you're not going to miss seasons. You're going to still have seasons in Mars, but they're going to be colder. Just saying. Like the summers are going to be cold. So if you like cool summers, you might like Mars.